Alright, so what is up, YouTube? What's up with y'all niggas, man? Extra closely. So I just came home. Black people can never have a tag. I'm gonna clear out my address so y'all can't see that, but yeah. You did? Why the fuck's my box sitting here, dude? But boom. Today we got a different video, an unboxing video for y'all. So I got a shoe plug. And I ordered me some Alexander Mcqueens. I ordered some Yeezys, Yeezy 700 Wave Runner before from him. He's a good dude, but we're gonna bring this in here. Got the box right here. It's dark as fuck right here. We got the turtle right here. Motherfucking turtle. I think that nigga dead. Don't know, he sleep. I don't know how the fuck he sleeping. But yeah. But I found out somewhere to set this up. And y'all, oh, perfect. Perfect. I think just got out of work. Perfect angle. Perfect. So this is the box it comes in. I got some Alexander Mcqueens. Maybe two days. We got some Alexander Mcqueens. Let's just see if they're real. She's being weird. Trying to get my video. Of YouTube famous. Would you like to take me to the famous? So, got a box of shoes, y'all. So, this is a box that came. Look at them, y'all. They love me. So, I'm gonna pull Alexander Mcqueen. They look kind of big, man. Yeah, we got the other. We got the box. So, guess you got a little Alexander Mcqueen thingy. Stickers. But what we here for is the shoes. First one. It looks nice. Okay, here we go. But so I never put them on my feet before. Yeah, so we in my house right now, so it ain't gonna look the nicest, you feel me? This how you look on my feet. Oh, hold on. You don't get no loose? Wait a minute. Man, these things tight. You can't make these any looser? Oh my god. How do people wear these things, man? I'm trying to put them on, but they tight. Oh my god. This is terrible. These are brand new. I'm already beating them up. all that just to fit, like, dude. So, I like them. I have my other shoe on. Let's try to be a little more gentle with this one right here. Boom. Not a shoelace. You cannot be fucking kidding me, dude. Look. So what do y'all think? It feels nice walking, though. I'll get on that. 360 in the shoes. You know, people gonna be in the comments. Why they look so loose? I'll tie them up for you guys. Dang. Alright, so let's see. We'll walk around with the shoes. After that struggle, y'all see me putting them on. If y'all like these, they look nice on my feet. If you're new to my channel, drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. And yeah, but I mess with them. I like these. Got a shoe plug. I will not give y'all his number. He be hooking me up. These shoes go for $400. I got these for $260. And I thought he was gonna price. Clean, box, shoes, all that. So if you're new to my channel, drop a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next video. We out.